Dear friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Since the advent of quantum physics, a number of scientists, philosophers, and theorists have proposed that this arcane field of study may hold the key to understanding the equally mysterious phenomenon of consciousness. The core of the argument lies in the mind-boggling properties of quantum particles and how they might be related to the human mind's ability to perceive and interpret the world. At the heart of quantum physics is the concept of wave-particle duality. Quantum entities can exhibit characteristics of both waves and particles, with their behavior determined not by an absolute state, but by probabilistic tendencies. The outcome isn't fixed until a measurement is made, a phenomenon known as the collapse of the wave function. This gives quantum particles an inherent indeterminacy, an idea that is at odds with classical physics, but oddly resonant with the elusive and unpredictable nature of consciousness. Roger Penrose, a renowned theoretical physicist, and Stuart Hameroff, an anesthesiologist and psychologist, have proposed a theory called orchestrated objective reduction, Orch-OR, to explain consciousness. They suggest that quantum computations occur in microtubules within brain neurons, and the collapse of quantum states within these microtubules forms conscious experiences. This is a bold claim, implying that our minds operate on the same fundamental principles as the universe at its most elemental level. Their theory also touches on the concept of quantum entanglement, the strange phenomenon in which particles become intertwined such that the state of one instantaneously affects the state of the other, no matter the distance between them. Could such a process be at work in the brain, linking different regions to create a unified conscious experience? It's an intriguing hypothesis, though not without its critics. Another compelling facet of this discussion is the role of the observer in quantum mechanics, as highlighted in the famous thought experiment of Schrödinger's cat. Quantum mechanics asserts that the act of observation can determine the state of a system. Is it possible that consciousness is an integral part of the universe, influencing reality through observation? Some theorists argue that consciousness collapses the wave function, determining reality through perception. This subjective participation seems to elevate the status of the observer, echoing the central role of consciousness in our personal experiences of the world. However, despite these tantalizing connections, skeptics argue that the brain operates at a level far too warm and wet to sustain the delicate coherence needed for quantum effects. And as of yet, there is limited empirical evidence to substantiate these theories. Still, it's essential to remain open-minded. Quantum mechanics has already upended our understanding of the universe in profound ways. It has shown us a reality far more flexible and interconnected than our everyday experiences would suggest, with particles that exist in multiple states at once, that can affect each other instantaneously across vast distances, and that are influenced by the mere act of observation. These notions mirror some of the essential mysteries of consciousness, its flexibility, its unity, its curious interplay with the external world. While it's uncertain whether quantum mechanics holds the ultimate answers to these questions, it offers a fertile ground for hypotheses and experiments that push the boundaries of our understanding. In conclusion, though still in the realm of speculation, quantum physics might not explain consciousness entirely, but it presents us with compelling parallels and intriguing hypotheses. As our knowledge expands, the interface of consciousness and quantum physics may provide an exciting frontier for unraveling one of humanity's most profound mysteries. This interplay between the outer universe of physics and the inner universe of the mind signals a paradigm shift that promises a deeper understanding of our reality. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.